Hey, Jason from TechAU, and I've got something very special to show you. A very cool contact of mine, I've been able to get access to a Starlink, and let's do a bit of an unboxing. So, first of all, the box is massive, and obviously it's housing the satellite. So in here we get a quick instruction manual. Let's get rid of that. Big chunky plastic bit, just to keep it safe while it's in transit. And there we have the Starlink. So first impressions is just the scale of it is quite sizable. So I might move this out of the way. So it's a tripod for it. Got the little router and power, and then the dish itself is obviously under here. So massive, really long network cable. So obviously that's going to support a bunch of different applications and installations. So we might actually disconnect that. Okay, so this little guy, well, there we go, let's get it in camera. Yeah, very angular, not particularly interesting, doesn't really sit very well, but there you go, you get the idea. And so on the back of it, obviously you just got looks like auxiliary power, and then just, you know, power over Ethernet probably. So it's fine, and then it's going to get powered from here, and just a regular power cable. So nothing too dramatic there. Let's get that out. And this is what we really are chasing. So we've got a second big bit of plastic over here. Let's ditch that. A bit of an instruction manual. And so, there we go. So that is one Starlink dish. Now, the question is, how I'm going to position this and try not to put a hole in my wall. Alright, so let's do this. Alright, so here is the dish, and I believe it's just gonna clip into the base like that. Bingo. And we got ourselves a Starlink dish. So there's the complimentary free mobile app that goes with this. So I have to plug that in, set it up, take it outside. It'll orient automatically to the satellites. And then we'll start proceeding. We'll do a bit of a speed test and see how it goes. So I'm in Wodonga, and you know, the design of this is really for remote and regional places. I've got fibre to the premise here, which is excellent, but I'm just kind of super keen to check out this Starlink and see what we get. So talk soon.